By May or June, the operations at Vizag International Airport will come to a halt. Why? The reason is Bhogapuram International Airport will be operational. That's the exclusive picture and report that we bring you, viewers, on India Today on the progress of the Bhogapuram International Airport. And it is a coincidence the day when we reach here, the first commercial validation flight landed successfully. Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu was also here to go ensure that validation flight is witnessed by him. And I'm being joined by Mr. I.P. Rao, the man who is leading this entire Bhogapuram International Airport project. Welcome on India Today, sir.
Thank you.
First of all, the minister is saying that everything is streamlined, and it seems like for May or June, the operations at Bhogapuram Airport could begin. What's your view?
Absolutely. As of today, if you take it, 96% of the works have been completed. So what the final works only left out? You can see that flooring, you can see this, you can see the ceiling, you can see the security arrangements, all complete and all the things. So practically final finishing works happen. We plan next 2 months to do the final finishing works, and then later we want to do the complete operation readiness trials, 3 months. So we expect by May and by June, as promised to the Honorable Chief Minister, we will be ready to commercial operation from that.
Right. I know that difficulties for GMR was increased by the Chief Minister of the state by, preponing that deadline. For our viewers' understanding, the place we are standing, this is the domestic bay, right?
This is a domestic security hold area. And then if you go to look that side or the right side, left side, you can see the international. The passenger coming from the check-in, they come, they take a decision. If it's an international person, they go left and then go to security and then go to immigration and go down for boarding it. For domestic, they come straight, security, and go straight to the boarding gates.
So one level and you are done with your domestic and international board.
Absolutely, absolutely.
As we speak, move forward, what we see is that the roof of the airport seems a bit different from the work that you have done in Delhi or maybe elsewhere.
Yes.
Why is it so?
Yeah. See, one of the fundamental point is airports is a standard. But at the same time, you want to give the local touch. One of the key local touch of Andhra is Visakhapatnam. If you look at this area, Andhra specifically, especially go for Pongal days, they do call Muggulu. We call Nathri called Rangoli. So this Muggulu is famous for Andhra. So that's why the whole thing has come as a Muggulu ceiling, which depicted for ceiling, as well as you can see the whole thing coming compared to hall works and all. And similarly, we also did for flooring. So this gives you clearly, we give the local flavor. People feel, oh, what we thought of Muggulu comes here. And out of the new generation, they are now slowly going out of the towns. They don't know what's happening. So this Muggulu will give you what my forefathers have been used to do every Pongal. This sort of gives indication.
One final question. I see the check-in counters are only 2 out here, or maybe 4, 2 into 2, 4. Why is it so? Because this would it might trigger a concern as a passenger if I'm coming to Bhogapuram International Airport.
No, absolutely. We have, though we call 2 check-in islands. It has totally 22 conventional counters. Like, operator stands here and take a baggage. And one of the key things we had 18 actually self-baggage drops, which make you faster than routine checkup. So that gives you enough capacity for you. So this, this capacity built for 6 million annually capacity, we can expandable to 12, 18 and 45 at the end. Sort of.
Okay. Before we end, this airport happens to be in an area which is prone to cyclones, heavy rainfall. Has that been kept in the structural design in mind while coming up with the structural design?
Absolutely, absolutely. See, all of you know that about 5 years back, there was a big typhoon has come, Hudhud typhoon, and devastated the city of Visakhapatnam. So we have taken that into consideration. For example, take the wind load, generally up to 225 kilometers per hour has happened during typhoon, which we designed for this roof and ceiling is 275 kilometers per hour design speed. The second thing is the rain intensity. This airport is designed for 270 mm rain. It can be able to drain out not only in the roof, entire area can be drained fastest possible. That's how we are able to mitigate the possible problem with the typhoons of this area.
Okay. Thanks a lot for speaking to us. So that was IP Rao, the person leading the Bhogapuram International Airport project. Right now we are standing on the runway of Bhogapuram International Airport. Right behind me you could see the runway where today the validation flight landed, and this airport is special in many means. Number one, it gives you the cultural identity of Andhra Pradesh pretty much in its building structure. The runway is Cat 1, which means that it will be operational 24/7. More importantly, even in case of cyclone, if the wind speed is up to 275 km per hour, even then the airport operations will run as normal. And in case of heavy rainfall, the runways will remain operational. It will have no impact. Along with that, there's artificial intelligence technology, cutting edge futuristic technology which is being used at the airport. For instance, if the trolleys are lying around, the control desk will know where the trolleys are. If water falls in washroom, there are sensor cameras which will indicate the human resource to be on the place. In total, this airport is being structured in a way where it can become the gateway for East. Andhra Pradesh is gearing up to actually not only cater to Visakhapatnam, Vizayanagar and Srikakulam area, but also want to cater to the adjoining state of Chhattisgarh and Odisha's Beharampur. Along with that, the traffic, or in a way the industrial load that you have because of the ports around the coastline, could be actually catered from this particular center, the Bhogapuram International Airport.